In this demo, we will present how Autopilot Index Advisor recommends indexes to create for higher performance and indexes to drop for storage efficiency. The workload mix is represented in the bottom left of the window. As it is visible in the plot at the top left of the window, the baseline throughput is about 40 requests per second. At this point, we will go ahead and refresh the Autopilot Index Advisor to get new recommendations that comply with the workload. The advisor recommends 3 indexes to create and 2 indexes to drop. It also provides reasons for the recommendations, alongside the performance and storage impacts of applying the selected recommendations. The advisor further provides explanations for the create index recommendations by providing the list of the affected queries and some information related to them. For example, number of executions, current execution time, and estimated speedup. We will now apply the selected index recommendations. After the index operation is completed, we fast forward the progression to observe the effect of applying the index recommendations. We notice that the throughput has gone up to 165 requests per second as a result of the newly created indexes. In the second phase of the demo, we will investigate how changing the workload mix changes the recommendations. You can observe the workload mix change at this moment, where there is a new request type delete reservation added to the mix. We notice now that the throughput has dropped down to 35 requests per second. As we refresh the Autopilot Index Advisor's recommendations, we observe a new create index suggestion to adapt to the workload change. The advisor will again provide information about the reason of the recommendation, the estimated speedup, and the estimated storage impact. We now apply the index recommendation. After the operation is completed, we observe how the throughput has increased to 165 requests per second. This concludes Autopilot Index Advisor's demo. Thanks for watching.